YouTube, look at the size of this bass on the Banjo Minnow. This is the biggest largemouth I have caught in a long time. It's the first time I've used this Banjo Minnow, and it worked so well. Look at that. He took it so good. That's a big Banjo Minnow too, if you can see the size of this bass. I'm gonna take a few pictures and I'm gonna let her go. Another pig. I'll let her go.